Dear students, how are you? I am fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. You are welcome to our online class. My name is Abdul Salam, Senior English Teacher, Mugra High School, Akhaura, Brahmanbaria. In our last class, we discussed about simple to complex. Today's topic is tech question. Tech question is an important question for class 9-10 students. It is also important in college level. First of all, we have to know what is tech question. Tech question is a question which is added at the end of a statement in order to turn into the check the statement is correct. Okay, let's discuss how we can solve tech question and how many rules we have to follow if we want to solve the tech questions very easily. Okay, tech questions, if you want to do tech question, first you have to know about auxiliary verb. AB means auxiliary verb. You have a clear idea about auxiliary verbs if you want to do tech questions. Okay, I will give you later which are the auxiliary verbs. Number one, if the statement is correct, if the statement is affirmative, answer will be negative. And the statement is negative, answer will be affirmative. Okay? Follow the board. Rina is a student, isn't she? Here, Rina is a student, it is a affirmative statement. The answer, isn't she, is negative. If the statement is negative, Rina is not a student. Is she? Here, the statement is negative, answer is affirmative. Okay? Dear students, I am writing the list of auxiliary verbs. To be verb, am, is, are, was, where, be, been, being. To do verb, do, does, did. To have verb, have, has, had. Modal auxiliary verb, modal AB, shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, used to, dare, need. Okay, this is the chart of, or this is the list of modal auxiliary verb. If you want to solve tech question very easily, you have a clear idea about this auxiliary verb. Here there are 27 AB. Only 3 auxiliary verbs are not used in solving tech question. Other 24 auxiliary verb have to use. Okay, dear student, here to be am is are was were be been being, to do verb do does did, to have verb have has had, modal auxiliary verb shall will should would can could may might must ought to used to dare need. Okay. If you want to solve the problem with using auxiliary verb, suppose they are learning English, the answer is around there. At the end of the statement, a comma must be used, and after the answer, a question mark must be used. Okay, here are is our auxiliary verb. We use are as the statement is affirmative. I make into negative. Are on. The subject is pronoun. It is not to you change there. Dear student, in take question, if you want to write not, you have to write such. Contract, you have to use contract here. Who is not used, who is omitted here. Use apostrophe in instead of O. Okay. If there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, you can use do, does, did. If the auxiliary verb is not in your sentence, you can use do, does, did. Do is used if the subject is pronoun, and if the subject is plural, you can use do. If the subject is singular, you can use does. If the subject is singular or plural and the tense is in past indefinite position, you can use did. Do and does are used only in present indefinite tense. Do and does is only used in present indefinite tense. Did is used only in past indefinite tense. If the subject is singular, does will use, and if the subject is plural, do will use. I will giving example to clear it. Suppose father reads a storybook. Here the sentence is present indefinite tense or simple present. Here principal verb read. If the sentence is in position present simple tense, here does is used as auxiliary verb. Okay. As the verb read is principal, you can use here does. Students learn the lesson. Here students are plural subject and the subject plural form. The statement is in simple present, so you can use here don't they. Okay, dear student, I am giving you some more example to clear your idea. If you want to do tag question, you have a clear idea how to change the subject, noun subject as a pronoun. Look at board. Ruma, she, Rana is equal to he, Rina, she, plural, noun, they, body, they, think, eat, all, eat, all plus noun, they, dash, as, p, dash, you, dash, them, they. Abstract noun, it. Dear student, look at the board very carefully. If the subject is Rana, male subject, answer will he. If the subject is female, Rina, it will turn she. Any plural subject will change the body. If there are some word before body, like a somebody, anybody, everybody, you can change the thing, something, anything, everything, it. If subject is all, you can write it. If subject is all plus noun, it will change into they. Some of us, most of us, majority of us, we, some of you, most of you, majority of you, subject you, most of them, majority of them, all of them, it will change they. If the subject is abstract noun, it will change it. Okay? For example, everybody is present here. In a tag question, everybody will change as they. The answer here is, you know, the auxiliary verb which is used in the sentence will use as a tag question's answer, but something different here. As the subjects, they, here you can write are, aren't they, everything is clear, here isn't it, as everything will not change as a day, it will change only it. Okay, dear student. Now I am giving you more example for your clarification. Honesty is a great virtue. Here honesty is abstract noun. It can touch. It is the only a things of feeling. Here you can use isn't it. Okay. For more example, all is oil. Here all, only use all. We can write isn't it. If the subject is all, it will turn into a pronoun it. All the students are present here. Present here. Here all plus noun. All plus noun. It will turn into there, around there. Around there. Dear students, if you practice more, it will be clear for you. I am giving you more example. Father bought a new shirt for me. Here father, noun, bought, the verb is formed in past form. Here we can use did. The statement is affirmative. We will turn into negative. Didn't he? The teacher teaches us English. Here teaches is verb in present form. This is why we can use here does, doesn't. The statement is affirmative. We will turn into negative. Doesn't. The teacher, noun. It will turn a pronoun he or she. Okay. If the statement is negative, the answer will be affirmative. Dear student, follow the whiteboard. They do not miss the class. They do not miss the class. Here the statement is negative. We can turn into a affirmative. Here auxiliary verb is do. Do they. Do they. We shall not join the party. Answer, shall we. But there is an exception. If the statement is affirmative, we shall join the party. Shan't we. Here shall will turn into shan't, and we pronoun, it will not change. Okay. More example for your clearance. She did not invite me. Here the statement is negative, so we have to correct it as a affirmative. Here our auxiliary verb is did, so I can use here did she. Okay. The man mustn't waste time. The statement is negative. The answer will be affirmative. Here our auxiliary is must. You can use here must he. Dear student, I am giving you two examples of past indefinite tense. We had a flower garden. Here had is used here as a auxiliary verb, as a principal verb. In this sentence, had is used as a principal verb. If had is used in the sentence, you can use had or hadn't we. Another answer, or didn't we, because had is the principal verb of this sentence, as the sentence is in past form, past indefinite form. This is why we can use here did. If you write had, no problem, it is also correct. It is also correct. Some more example. I am your teacher. Here, if the statement is affirmative, am will not go direct there, because in a text question, affirmative form am can be used, but in a negative form am can't be used. Am will turn into are, aren't I, or ain't I, or ain't I. Okay. For more example, if you notice such example, I visit the zoo. Here apostrophe D means I would visit the zoo. The answer will such I wouldn't I. If the statement is such, I visited the zoo last year. Here it apostrophe D is used as had. I had visited the zoo. Here apostrophe D means had. This is why answer will hadn't I. Okay, dear students, if you practice more and more, I think it will be clear for you. In our next class, we will discuss the rest of the topics about text question. Okay, thanks. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.